I signed up for the Level 5 Building Control Diploma because it came about just at the same time as I started working with building control. So I thought it was an excellent opportunity to be qualified and certified and competent.
The residential courses were very helpful to be around other people going through the same qualification as you, learning. Everyone learns in a different way, so it was nice to be able to be around people and have the discussions and just sort of see other people's opinions, because things can be interpreted in a lot of different ways.
What I really enjoyed about it was the networking with other people from other councils. We see it here tonight, that the people you're talking to that you didn't know a year ago, the camaraderie you have, the way you're bouncing ideas off of people as well. That residential, I think, is pivotal to the exam. Not just because you're doing the exams, but because afterwards when you relax, you're still talking about the job. And if you don't know something, or you're not sure of something, you can ask the question and somebody will know it.
The residential course was helpful to me to have other people there to bat ideas off and to help boost confidence, and just made the course easier because there was other people there. If you didn't understand something, you could talk to them, and also having the course tutors there, you could run ideas by them, so that was really useful for me.
In terms of formalising your training, it's quite easy to understand in building control what you see on site and what you do in your day job, but actually imparting that into academic, written, note-taking or coursework to evaluate and analyse the information that you've actually been processing, the course really helps to reaffirm that and to help it stick in your mind.
I spent quite a lot of time using the virtual learning environment. I played the tutorials several times and made extensive notes and researched parts that I didn't understand or asked questions from experienced members of my team, so that when I attended the residential course, part of the course, it meant that I wasn't out of my depth and I was able to follow along.
Virtual learning is very much on yourself to do it.
The virtual learning environment was very useful for me because it allowed me to actually do my day job, and then when I had spare time in the evening I could do it. Also, if I had time during the day, I could just log on and actually view the courses. As well as that, if I was doing a particular task within my day job, I was then able to go onto the VLE and look at the notes or the course and get information from that.
I think the diploma's helped my career in knowledge. Anything that I was unsure of, I've been able to pick up. If you've not picked up from what you've learned, you've picked it up from other people. And I think that's one of the best parts about it, that you're constantly learning from people or the teachers when you've been there.
The knowledge that I've gained, I'm now doing bigger projects, bigger jobs, bigger plan checks. Or I've gone from domestic extensions to flats to commercial stuff. Which wouldn't happen without this course.
So I started on a building control graduate programme. I went to an assistant building control surveyor, and I'm now a building control surveyor. So I've already managed to climb 3 rungs of the ladder as a result, I think, directly of doing this course.
So the diploma improved my skill set for when I'm out on site. It allows me to kind of say with confidence and with knowledge that whenever I'm telling people or asking people to do things, that I know what I'm saying is correct.
My advice to colleagues would be to definitely do the course. It certainly enhances learning and helps with your job career.
Definitely recommend the diploma to other people. I think it's a great place to start out, especially considering that they've now got the different levels of it. And I think it's a great way of starting that learning process to knowing more and more about building control.
So make use of the virtual learning environment, put in the time and effort, enjoy it.
It's hard work, it's very hard work. There's lots of hours involved, but it's worth your while.
It's made me a better surveyor, I feel.